Hello little kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. And I hope you have recited that poem, the earlier poem, and also completed the following exercises. So now let's move into the second chapter. The second chapter is Little by Little. Now before starting this chapter, there is warm up activity. What's the weather like? Tick the right answer. So here you have to first see the picture. First you have to look carefully the picture and then you have to tell what's the weather like. Is it sunny? Is it snowy or freezing? Is it snowy and freezing? It's cloudy or it's rainy. The picture over there is about it's snowy and freezing. So you have to tick in that box. It's snowy and freezing. So now let's start the chapter. One morning, Karan woke up and found the ground covered with deep snow. It had snowed heavily at night. We must make a path through the snow to be able to walk, said his father. I would have done that, but I have to go to walk. He asked Karan if he could do that. So यहाँ पर क्या होता है, यहाँ पर बोल रहे हैं कि एक सुबह जब करण उठता है तो वो देखता है कि पूरा जो ग्राउंड है वो पूरा कवर्ड हो चुका है स्नो से, विद डीप स्नो से, ओके, एंड इट हैड स्नोड हेवीली एट नाइट. तो इसका मतलब उसे फिर पता चलता है कि अरे मतलब रात को बहुत ज्यादा बर्फ गिरी थी. We must make a path through the snow to be able to walk. तो हमें कुछ ऐसे रास्ता बनाना चाहिए through the snow to be ताकि हम easily उसमें चल सके. ओके, वो कौन बोलता है? वो करण के पापा बोलते हैं. And I would have done that, but I have to go to walk. तो यहाँ पर करण के फादर बोलते हैं कि मैं ये खुद कर लेता पर मुझे अभी वॉक के लिए जाना है. और he asked करण if he could do that. तो वो करण को बोलते हैं कि क्या तुम कर सकते हो ये मेरे लिए? How can I do that? The snow is higher than my head, Karan said. अब करण बोलता है कि ये मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ? ये जो बर्फ है ये तो मेरे सर से भी ज्यादा ऊंची है, higher है. Okay? His father said, you have to do it very slowly and left for the work. अब करण के पापा बोलते हैं कि तुम्हें बहुत धीरे धीरे ही करना होगा, कोई जल्दी नहीं है. एंड वो फिर चले जाते हैं अपने काम के लिए. Then after Karan got the snow shovel and started to work, he worked very hard but could not see any results. He was very disappointed and told his mother that he could not do it. The snow was too high and the shovel was small. तो यहाँ पर जो करण है वो पहले तो स्नो शवल लेकर आता है, दैट द इंस्ट्रूमेंट, दैट इक्विपमेंट विच यू यूज टू टू रिमूव द स्नो. ओके, सो फिर उसके बाद वो शवल जब लेकर आता है वो अपना काम शुरू कर देता है, पर वो काफी ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क करता है उस पर उसको कोई रिजल्ट नहीं मिल पाता. इससे वो बहुत ज्यादा निराश हो जाता है, यानी कि डिसअपॉइंट हो जाता है. एंड वो अपनी मम्मी को बोलता है दैट वो नहीं कर सकता इस चीज को. एंड वो ये बोलता है कि जो स्नो है वो काफी ज्यादा हाई है एंड वो जो शवल है उसके पास वो काफी ज्यादा छोटा है. Karan's mother gave him a very good answer. She said, the snow fell little by little, flake by flake, and look what a huge pile it has made. So you also have to do it little by little and finally it will all be removed. तो यहाँ पर करण की मम्मी बोलती है, करण की मम्मी एक बहुत ही अच्छा सा आंसर देती है. वो बोलती है कि जो स्नो जब फेल हुई थी, जब वो फॉल हुई थी ग्राउंड में, तो वो धीरे धीरे करके ही हुई थी, छोटे छोटे उसमें ही हुई थी, मतलब छोटे छोटे उसने ड्रॉप्स ही वो करे थे, ओके, फॉल ही हुए थे. एंड फ्लेक बाय फ्लेक ही उसके वो जो फ्लेक्स थे वो गिरे थे. एंड लुक व्हाट अ ह्यूज पाइल इट हैड मेड, और उससे देखो कितना बड़ा पाइल बन गया. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना बूंद बूंद से सागर बन जाती है, तो ऐसे ही वो जो स्नो ड्रॉप्स है उनसे काफी ज्यादा वो पूरा भर गया था ग्राउंड उससे. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर वो उसको एक आइडिया देती है, वो अपने बेटे करण को आइडिया देती है कि तुम्हें भी लिटिल बाय लिटिल ट्राई करना चाहिए. अगर तुम धीरे धीरे करके छोटे छोटे पीसेस को भी रिमूव कर दोगे तो फाइनली तुम्हारा जो पूरा काम है स्नो हटाने का वो पूरा हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड फाइनली वो पूरा रिमूव हो जाएगा. So Karan understood his mother's point and started to work again. He worked till his father came home in the evening. Father was happy to see the path Karan had made. So यहाँ पर बोलते हैं कि जो करण है वो अपनी मम्मी का जो पूरा पॉइंट है वो समझ जाता है एंड वो काम करने लग जाता है. वो धीरे धीरे करके स्टेप बाय स्टेप लिटिल बाय लिटिल स्नो को हटाता है, रिमूव करता है, और वो काम करता है जब तक उसके पापा नहीं आ जाते. और जैसे उसके पापा शाम को आ जाते हैं तो वो देखकर बहुत ज्यादा खुश हो जाते हैं कि करण ने फाइनली ये कर दिया. ओके, So now let's move into the words to know point. First one, shovel. A tool with a long handle and a broad metal part with curved edges used for removing, shifting sand, snow, etc. शवल एक ऐसा टूल है जिसका एक लॉन्ग सा लंबा सा हैंडल है और एक ब्रॉड मेटल पार्ट है उसका विद कर्व्ड एजेस है उसके, जिसको हम यूज करते हैं रिमूव करने के लिए या फिर शिफ्ट करने के लिए चीजों को, जैसे कि सैंड को या फिर स्नो को. डिसअपॉइंटेड, अपसेट और डिजेक्टेड. डिसअपॉइंटेड का मतलब होता है अपसेट या फिर डिजेक्टेड. नेक्स्ट वन, फ्लेक. A small very thin layer or piece of something. Here ice. फ्लेक का मतलब एक छोटा सा और बहुत ही पतला सा लेयर या फिर किसी चीज का पीस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आइस. नेक्स्ट वन, पाइल. A number of things that have been placed on top of each other. पाइल मतलब कुछ number of things जो कि एक दूसरे के ऊपर placed on है. Okay. Now let's do some exercise. Answer the following questions. So these question answer you have to do by your own. Okay. Now next one is write T for true and F for false statements. First one, it did not snow much at night. This statement is false. So you have to write F over there. Next one, Karan's mother helped him in making the path. Yes, just Karan's mother just gave him some point. Okay, so you can say true over there. Next one, the snow made a huge pile by falling in flakes. Yes, that is true. Next one, Karan could finally make a path. This is also true. Next one, father was not happy to see the path. This is false, so you have to write F over there. Now next one is sentence build up activity. Make sentences with the following words. So here you have to make your own sentences by the following words. Okay. Now let's move into the increase your vocabulary point. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the treasure box. So the blanks are like this. First one, it's dash. It's cold. The winter months are December, January and February. It's a dash season. It's a winter season. The nights are dash and the days are dash. The nights are long and the days are short. Children like to play in the dash. Children like to play in the snow. They make snowmen. It's cool to dash really fast. It's cool to skate really fast. It's great to ski or sledge on the ice. Winter is fun, it's Christmas time. Okay, so you have to fill these blank. Now next is do the grammar point. Tense is time frame, present simple, that is simple present. Present simple refers to an action that happened regularly or that is permanently happening. सिंपल प्रेजेंट या फिर प्रेजेंट सिंपल जिसको जो कि उन एक्शंस को रेफर किया गया जो हमेशा होते हैं, जो रेगुलरली टेक प्लेस करते हैं और जो परमानेंटली परमानेंटली वो होते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल वी प्ले क्रिकेट इन द ग्राउंड. नेक्स्ट वन, दे स्लीप लेट ऑन संडेज. नेक्स्ट वन, शी ओनली ईट्स राइस. नेक्स्ट, दे वॉच मूवी एवरी सैटरडे. नेक्स्ट वन, द अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन. नाउ देयर इज, look at the following table: singular, affirmative and negative one. In the affirmative, first one is I do, negative I do not or I don't. Next one, you do not or you don't. Next one, he does not or he doesn't. Next one, she does not, she doesn't. Next one, it does not, it doesn't. Now the next is plural one. Affirmative, negative, we do not or we don't. You do not or you don't. Next one, they do not or they don't. Note with third person singular, we add s or es with the verb. Now the next question is circle the correct verb form to make the meaningful sentences. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. Next one, the stars shines at night. The stars shine at night. Next one, she dances in the evening. She dances in the evening. Next one, he does his homework every day. He does his homework every day. Next one, it catches flies. It catches flies. Now next question is complete these sentences using don't or doesn't. She play volleyball. She doesn't play volleyball. Next, we do our homework. We don't do our homework. Next one, they dash live at that house. They don't live at that house. Next one, you dash study every day. You don't study every day. Now next is writing practice. Write 2 sentences for each picture. Use the help box. So you have to write down 2 sentences for each picture by using the help words. This one is your homework part. Now next is listening and speaking skills. Look at the schedule and answer the following questions given below. So you have to first look at the schedule carefully, and then you have to answer the following questions. First, can you meet me at the cafe at 11 a.m.? So what does that person do at 11 a.m.? So basically there is no kind of like any type of busy type of schedule over there. So you can write yes over there. Okay, can you help me with my homework at 4:15 p.m.? So in this you have to give the answer at yes or no. Okay. Now next part is life skills. What do you do when you fail to do something? Do you give up or do you try again? Talk about something that you failed to do but succeeded when you tried again later. तो यहाँ पर बोला गया है कि तुम क्या करोगे जब तुम फेल हो जाते हो किसी चीज पे, तो क्या तुम गिव अप कर देते हो या फिर उसे फिर से कोशिश करते हो करने का. सो इसके बारे में तुम्हें बात करनी है कि मतलब कोई ऐसी चीज में तुम फेल हो गए हो पर तुम उसके बाद सक्सेसफुल हो गए हो जब तुमने फिर से कोशिश करी. ओके, सो दिस यू हैव टू डिस्क्राइब इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. I hope students that you enjoy this chapter, and your homework is you have to do all the exercise part of this chapter. Till then students, take care. Bye bye.